Hi, this is Sean Keith from Keith Law Group. Often get asked, how much can I sue for my car wreck in Arkansas? And that's actually an easy question to answer in some ways and a difficult question in others. You can literally sue for as much as you want to sue, as much as your imagination will tell you. There is no limit on what you can put down on a piece of paper. And that's what a lawsuit is at the very beginning. It's a piece of paper. But in Arkansas, and with my cases, generally, I don't put down a specific amount because it's not until the very end, when I'm arguing in front of a jury for you, when I actually ask a jury a specific amount to compensate you for the injuries that you've received. Now, at our law firm, oftentimes the client will say, well, what is my claim worth? And I actually will tell you, I've been evaluating claims for 30 years, actually more than 30 years. And in every case, one of our attorneys, and oftentimes it's me, will sit down with you before we ever make a demand to the insurance company, and I will explain to you exactly how I've evaluated the amount of your claim. I will tell you what I believe the value of your claim is for settlement purposes. Obviously, a jury can always give more or give less. But for settlement purposes, I will go through and evaluate it and explain it to you. And at the end of the day, you're the one who decides how much we demand from the insurance company to settle your case before filing the lawsuit. And I look at a number of different factors. Number one, what are your medical bills? If you Google, hey, how much is the value of my car wreck case? They always talk about medical bills. And that's absolutely true. That has a lot to do with it. However, there's a lot more than just medical bills that make up the value of a case. I want to know what kind of property damage was incurred. What does the wreck itself look like? Do I have photographs that I can use in front of a jury to explain why my client got injured and how it looks in the vehicles that were in this wreck? That goes a long way to assessing the value of a case. I also want to look at, did my client miss any work? Do we have lost wages? Was the other driver drunk? Because if the other driver's drunk, we might have a punitive damage claim. So there are a lot of different things that go into answering the question, how much is my car wreck valued in Arkansas? What I can tell you is, at our law firm, by the time we get to submitting this demand or claim to the insurance company, you will know exactly how much I believe the value of your claim is, and you'll get to decide how much we put down. Again, I'm Sean Keith with Keith Law Group. If you have any questions, please contact my office. I'm glad to answer them. We have great case managers and lawyers that will help you in deciding what steps to take. If you've just been in a wreck, get on the phone right away and never sign anything without talking to a lawyer.